Hello guys, Nours here. So we've got the very first look at the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus, and they're looking stunning. Basically, the S23 and the S23 Plus have the same design of the S22 and the S22 Plus, with one big change, which is the back camera design. Now it looks like the S22 Ultra, and in my opinion, the old design looked much better on a phone this size. From the front, we have the same 6.1-inch flat display on the S23 and 6.6-inch display on the S23 Plus, but we may have a brand new front camera sensor. And thankfully, Samsung won't follow Apple and remove the SIM card tray, at least for the S23 series. And as we all know now, Samsung is going with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 for the S23 series, and according to the information from Ice Universe, will have great improvement in the AI, camera and graphics chips with more clock speed for the Prime core at 3 GHz. So we can expect a much better picture processing and a big improvement in performance in addition to more power efficiency. And according to Korean media, Samsung is planning to release the S23 series early this year, about 2 to 3 weeks earlier than the Galaxy S22 series, which will be around early to mid-January of the next year. And if you wonder about the Galaxy S23 Ultra specs and final design, you can watch this video afterwards. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.